Good morning, fifth grade hounds. This is Mrs. Mayberry here. So what I have here is a very complicated thing called a chemical equation. And what this is it represents all the chemicals that you just saw. The K stands for potassium, the I stands for iodide. So potassium iodine, that's the stuff I poured into the big flask. 2 hydrogen, the little 2 there, and 2 oxygen represent the hydrogen peroxide. That's a U. You all know Mrs. Mayberry has the worst handwriting. And what does this interesting little arrow stands for? Well, in chemistry, it stands for yields, but it actually means the same thing as equals. And what we do is chemists write out these equations when they want to see if something becomes a whole new substance. So what did we see happen here? Well, we saw a couple of different things, and I loved hearing you share in your breakout rooms what those were. But we created some whole new substances. The first one being, notice the fire I lit? Does anyone know when you light something on fire what it is? It's just pure oxygen. So that was oxygen. Then we created water. H2O. You've probably seen this one before. Water. Oxygen gas that we breathe. And then what do we have left over? There's only 2 little letters over here, or better known as elements, but our potassium iodide. Yep, sitting right there at the bottom of that flask. We know there were so many hints that there was a chemical reaction, so I can't wait to see what your CERs say.